in Mike and Shannon, I would say by 7 o'clock in the morning, there's already several inches of snow on the ground.
Tony, I was just scrolling through Twitter. TJ Del Santo, your colleague, of course, reporting thunder snow just moments ago in West Warwick. So many elements to the storm this morning.
Yeah, get the yardsticks out to measure the snow. We're not looking at those little school rulers. Heavy snowfall, strong winds expected, blizzard conditions are anticipated. Snowfall rates 1 to 3 inches per hour. Thunder snow certainly possible with this storm. Expect difficult travel, really.
I think they're saying this is the second largest snowfall total amount since the blizzard of '78. But this was officially classified as a blizzard. Had those whiteout conditions, as well as, you know, enough snowfall, that kind of stuff. High enough winds. People left and abandoned their cars, and they are buried. City of Providence warned you, they're either towing it or burying it. I've seen some flatbeds pick them up yesterday, and today I'm seeing some buried. What are you gonna do? You got no choice. Okay, it's the day after the blizzard of 2022. Yeah, they officially called it a blizzard. I guess I met the right criteria of the amount of snowfall matching the amount of wind gusts and total wind to make whiteout blind conditions, that kind of stuff. So we officially had another blizzard. Second largest blizzard, I guess, in around history to the blizzard of '78. It is the day after. It stopped snowing about 8 o'clock last night, and we are traveling all around, just kind of checking out what the sites look like. Roads are pretty much abandoned. There's very few cars out. I've seen people walking, believe it or not. They are running out of places to put the snow. And total snowfall, depending on where you live, got around 2 feet on average. You know, maybe, 18 to 20 inches in other places, that kind of stuff. But down in Rhode Island, we got hit pretty good. So, I am checking out the city. I have the Mavic 3 with me, and we're gonna see what we see. Let's check out the state, the city, and let's see what the aftermath of all this snowfall at once looks like. All right, we're gonna get one more shot around Lincoln Woods. We're gonna see what that looks like, and then we'll go home and let these plows and everything do their job. Although there are more and more vehicles out there now. People are starting to get back into a groove here. People are starting to get back to life after being trapped in the house all day yesterday. I'm the only one in Lincoln Woods. Not a soul to be found. Not even plowed. All right, let's get out of here. Time to go home. Let's be very careful and make sure we don't get stuck. Because when I say there is not a soul to be found, there is no one around. Not a person. And there is no average car that's coming through this. Besides, if there is some other vehicle trying to get through this is going to be interesting trying to pass each other. Let's get out of here. think it's gonna be a minute before I'm riding the boosted board again. Oh my God, look how beautiful. Oh, I hope the GoPro really picked them up well. Hi guys, where'd you go? There you are. That was so cool. I had a feeling that there's always deer in Lincoln Woods, so I had a feeling that I might see some, but it was really cool seeing that little herd. I feel like I screwed up whatever the heck they were doing though. They went onto the road maybe to clean up their hoofs or something, or get like a little fresh, not covered in snow or whatever. But that was cool. That was cool. Alright, so that's it for today's video. That's it for the blizzard of 2022. I am gonna head on home, take a shower, relax a little bit. But if you want to discuss anything today, it was a little bit of fun, hit me up below. If you enjoyed the video, give me the thumbs up, and if you want to see more, subscribe. I'll catch you next time. Be safe. I hope you and your family is all safe, warm, electricity's working, all of that. I hope this is just a fun day for you. Later.